So check them out. Wow, they were so direct eating. They didn't know what happened. That's why when you shoot a turkey, now if there's just one that just went down, yeah, you can go get them. But you know, if there's a couple of them, shoot and just sit. Don't move. Don't move. Because either you can get another one or just let them go. Because they didn't know what the hell just happened. So we'll just leave them. We'll just let them sit for a little bit more. And yeah, that's what I'm talking about. It's gonna be some good eating, man. Turkey is my favorite meat. Wild turkey. Wild turkey is my favorite. Not domesticated, wild turkey. So we'll go get them. Oh yes, yes. Look at that beard. That's a good turkey, man. Oh yes, thank you. Oh, that's a nice beard there. Nice spurs on a mature bird. Got the decoy set up, and that's why he came down. Got that hen decoy and that gobbler jig decoy. It's actually like a jig because I don't have a beard for it. So it's like a jig. Oh, get him out of here. Let's go, man. There he is, guys. Look at that bird. That's a beautiful bird. Oh, man, I love these turkeys. Oh, look at that. I don't know why. I forgot what this is called. That. But, oh, this is going to be some good meal here, guys. Good breast meat. Oh, especially a nice big tom like this. Get some good meat. Here you go, guys. Beautiful bird. I'm so happy right now. Oh, this is beautiful. I love turkey hunting. Turkey hunting is one of my favorite ways of hunting. Oh, it's so cool. Calling them in. I'm coming down, calling in. Oh, dude, I love it. This is such a great hunt. I'm so thankful for this. I'm so thankful for its long beard. Turkey hunting is really hard from where I'm at. Disease has been getting to them, predators, and it's hard, man. It's hard. So just getting this bird, I'm thankful. I'm happy that I've seen some more long beards. There's some hens too running around, so I'm really happy for that. But wow, what a nice bird. What a nice bird. All right, guys, got the turkey back. What a beautiful bird. 9.5-inch beard, nice bird. You can't complain about this old Tom. This gun did it once again. 870 Remington Express, 3.5-inch shell. That gun, I love this gun. This is one of my favorite guns of all time, but beautiful bird, beautiful bird. All right, guys, nice bird here. Beautiful bird, beautiful bird. Good meal. Freaking, I can't wait to eat this bird. It's gonna be so good. I love turkeys, one of my favorite things to eat. But gonna get them breasted out, and yeah, it's gonna be a good meal. Beautiful PA Tom, that's what I'm talking about. That old head on him. You should saw the colors changing when they come down. That's almost like you can tell what kind of type of mood they're in. They get really excited. They turn like a blue red. It's so like fascinating. All right, guys, now I'm gonna breast them out. Breasting turkeys, all right, it's really easy, honestly. You just rip these feathers out right here. Just rip it out. And it's almost like a fish fillet. The meat's right here, like the breast. And there's a big bone right here. See that bone right here? And you basically fillet the meat off the bone, like almost like a fish. And you just fillet it off like that. It's really easy. It's really, it's not, I mean, some of your cuts might not be perfect, but again, it is what it is. But I mean, you're gonna cut it up anyway, so it's really not a huge deal if you mess it up a little bit. But I'm gonna get this guy deboned. I'm gonna cut the beard off too. Beautiful beard. All right, guys, pretty much got all the feathers off. Probably pluck a couple more off, but right here's the breast. Cut the breast meat off. Again, there's a bone right here. Just basically fillet it off like this. Fillet it off. It's really not hard. You really can't mess it up. But again, gotta cut the meat off. This is gonna be some nice meat, man. All right, guys, right here is your meat. And again, you want to rip this skin off. It's easy. Just cut a hole into it, and you just basically rip it off. It's not hard. Just play around with it. And again, like I said, there's that bone right there. Right there's that bone. You take your knife and you basically cut down it. It's really, turkey's simple. I have all the game species taking basically the most of the meat off an animal. Turkey is basically one of your easiest things to do, or any bird. Pheasant, quail, grouse, duck, a lot of them, they're pretty easy. But yeah, that's the meat. You want to take the skin off, and yeah, that's basically how you do it right there. All right, here, guys, is the breast. See, I messed up a little bit. I cut right here. Really not a big deal, but there is the breast meat. Delicious meat. It's really warm. But no, this is gonna be really good, guys. And don't be surprised if you find some BBs in your breast too. That happens a lot. Some more, you're aiming for the neck, kind of in this general area. There's some BBs are bound to hit the breast, but I don't really. Oh, there's one right here. That must be a bead. I don't know if that's a bead, maybe not. But I don't really see really any spots, but they're still probably in there. All right, guys, got the breast out now. Now, get it prepared. And one of my favorite dishes, turkey tenders. I almost said chicken tenders. Turkey tenders. Oh my God, I love it. It's probably one of my. If I was on death row, this would be one of my last meals. Turkey tenders. Oh, crispy turkey tenders with some buffalo hot sauce. Oh, you cannot beat that. Honestly, it's so good. But gonna get these prepared, and yeah, this is gonna be one hell of a meal. I can't wait to eat it. All right, got the turkey cut up here in little tenders. This is gonna be delicious. Simple recipe: flour, eggs, a little bit of milk, panko. We're gonna fry it up. Very simple way. Cut it up into small pieces like this. This is gonna be fantastic. Fantastic. This is gonna be really good eating. Simple. Dump in flour, mix it with egg, put the panko, put it on the plate, and fry it. It's gonna be very simple, really effective, and great way of eating wild turkey. All right, guys, I'm gonna show you guys the process here. Put in the flour, mix it in egg, put it in panko, then voila. And then we're letting the oil warm up a little bit, slowly warm up, and yeah, that's pretty much it. It's really simple. Another one. And there we go. Actually, too, guys, I put some pepper in there and give it a little spice taste. But yeah, that's pretty much it. Very, again, simple way of doing this. All right, guys, now I got the turkey frying up now. It's gonna be so delicious. All right, guys, these are pretty much done now. You can tell by the color it changes, but now this is gonna be delicious. It's gonna be delicious food. And now I gotta get these done yet. And yeah, it's not gonna be that long. It doesn't really take long, but this is gonna be delicious. And voila, there's the meal. Great. Actually, I'm gonna have some ranch too. I have our secret sauce. It is secret sauce, and it's the best sauce on the planet. This is the best sauce on the planet. Top secret. But have that mixed with ranch. It's delicious. This is a very good meal. And yeah, that's it, guys. That's a very simple way of cooking turkey. That's one of my favorite ways, if not my really only way. Grill it too is really good, but this is one of my favorite ways too. I love frying turkey. Frying everything is good. But anyways, guys, hope you guys enjoyed this video. I love it. It is just great. I love this hunting. This was a great day of turkey hunting. But yeah, this is a great meal. This is gonna be delicious. And yeah, hope you guys enjoyed this video. I'll see you guys in the next one. Later, guys.